familia. So what's your I am a baba. Onyamini me familia. So what's your I am a baba. Onyamini me familia. So what's your I am a baba. Onyamini me familia. So my baby. Tobwase, the daughters of glorious Jesus, bringing time to 28 after 3 on Ghana's #1 radio station, Adom 106.3 FM. Good afternoon, and welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso, for today, Wednesday, the 26th of May, 2021. We're on till 6 p.m. And Chibia Yabamo Aquaniano na ene video I channel also wait me Ashebi videos of our time coming up pretty soon. It won't bon remo Facebook there. Yes, sir, bon remo is here. Joining me on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Yes. Many Roko Facebook host is here. When you have my Jerry Justice, now what to make a manager say, me no one say she will feel quite media. So we Papa Bills were Jamestown, Jacoa, African, so Rasta. Yo, Wagwan. It's your notes now. Now, anymore. Bibia Bear Fine is Richie. Bibia Bear Fine. Now, if I try, yes, show win some quickly enough. We are main call Facebook, no, na roll and share send videos of our time and to us. Yami on Friday, the 28th of May. Ochinechi Asemia and I'm making APSA Business Connect series, no. The idea banner behind the mask. What I say? See the mask nation there all day of the day. But you see behind the mask. Delivering customer experience that connects. Not just say Max and if we are doing the edge, you know, say be na customer experience no. A bit to me, akuye kama pa. What I say? And to make sure so be join the APSA Business Connect series on the last Friday of every month. On the APSA Facebook page, and at APSA Ghana, to gain more insights from industry experts. Yeah, no bet me wow, I keep your business no thriving and alive. Evelyn Aqua, a chief customer officer, our APSA Bank. Now, on a guest this Friday, the 28th of May, 2021, at 10 a.m. on the topic behind the mask. Delivering customer experience that connects. The APSA Business Connect series, helping to take your business to the next level. That's Africanacity. That's APSA. And then me video be I know about chena video me na me hu tisi mi kakra ne ade na amama kai ma se bi pa asa se me catch radio so enye me catch a team no studio I from there I'm saying. So get ready to join me on Facebook if you are not already there. Now you share videos of our time. Yes. Meantime, we am the so body and then pa. Ade ba ko betimi aboa na wa cool down ye pa no. Hey, royal drinks. Ya to boss ya run ye kama de ama. Oh, so many flavors to choose from. Be it apple, and I say royal cola, and royal orange, and I cry royal cocktail. Ni no more there. What do I say? Nebo so here in 250 pesos. We are now don't suffer because you more dead. We are another quality product if Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door for 0262 351 251 or 0272 133 373. Now, do be on here beyond the sort of come out. Yeguswaya Kai was said the planned city extension project no rent to own share no egusu koso den. Yeka one ticket advantage by the time when you be house na man for akogini na awie. We no I said the okwa rent e dan no. Ba ugusu a wutuatua na boso mutuatua na saa na no. Na edan na fa ho aba be ye odea. Ningo Pram District Assembly. NFA and partners with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat. And I can't boom Abba. Eti Lukisha, because where you live and where you trade matter. And they wait me only if you are now a fully serviced commercial land or space. And they do media person. Yeah, Kaiso Bejoni affiliate housing cooperatives no. Obey applies this year for the special lifeline offer. Yeah, no, it lasted till the 31st of October 2021. The patrol contact lines in the 055 55 30 300 or 057 791 1101 and 055 705 4635. Website newaccra.city. The planned city extension project shaping Ghana's urban future. Daughters, what is? You can't love them more, Charlie. Tobasio, I am Baba. Onyame nemre familia, I am Mawo. Tobasio, I am Baba. Onyame nemre familia, Osuma Begwe. Yabako Facebook no so sesi ana yede. We know. Friends and videos of our time I share some patrol onyamba mu e Facebook a ebrene ni borum Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook na yankoye ni. But in the meantime, yan come for fortune rice amount. E patrol on say yan ma me no de omunim bibia. What I say? Oh yeah, they na ye krom de omu ye be ye. They know what's good. Omu experience the power. Every situation biano, our moms knows what to do. So I prepare anything. And they about say on one and more edin so. And one some can in your crown a fortune rise. It's not say we know on one work I say I peche and now I den. Because you know such a way say ensure ka create you the beguno. And one balance bibiama and mono eben correct. And come boom bako. Aroma no so dey jai na taste no delicious. So if you are thinking of cooking jollof and now say fried rice and now rice balls and any other rice dish be there, think about fortune rice. Choose fortune rice, buy fortune rice, cook fortune rice and eat fortune rice. Now I'll be enjoy fortune rice with am pack. You want a fortune classic. I know near green and your fortune delight and no brand no orange and now fortune delicious and also a red pack no. The Osabe can be go on and enjoy it and you won't regret it. Fortune rice, always on point, just like mom. Then I add this over phone say what you call. Now be kasa our phone no for hours. We are, yes say only the first minute of that call no to your pet and no pet. Now they are canning now for the free. Hey, a GMTN pay. We are free after one. In addition, I enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser free. When you change one patch, you phone this year and dial *550#. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one now, and then you stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Okay, yeah, roll call kakra, yeah, roll call kakra. Na yen trust you for video no tum. Our Facebook no so. And no videos of our times. You see, Emmanuel, Mayebi. I hope so. Dinner, I say, please, which food did you eat this afternoon? Fufu ana. I know person who do any DSR. About fufu so that my fufu. We so and then so fufu na mitimi dini nanti. Me I say I kakra na dey about Ishaba Kosia Manda or say amen. Gladys 9:30. I see you. Hello. I say Nana ya glory. I say hi brother Jerry, hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm doing just fine. Charity Dortmund. I hope so Udine. I say blah jelly. I feel in Shaba Akosiama. Ishaba say, oh, Maron, hey, Udi Gumbe Breze, Ishaba. Slow down for Jesus, what? Linda Santi, I see you. Dennis Manson. I say, good afternoon. Good afternoon to you as well. I feel trust me, could you dance so? I say, I did for you, Charlie. Thanks, eh? Dorinda Usuya Dako. I say, good afternoon. If I trust me, I join you on Facebook, says, yeah, we are live. I Adom 106.3 FM. The videos of our time here, trust with their mouths is here. Emmanuel Ako. And also, I say, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. I feel Kofi Botry. I say, Inabuwa. Brad Jerry. And Clara Yawa. I say, please play me. Now by this time, yeah, I'll pay some boss had me more. Clara, I didn't either. Pastor Myra, I see you. Vida Ishan. I say, hello, Jerry, you looking good, ba. May I say, Ni Bote. I say, Jerry, good afternoon. I did hear song. Yes, be there song, be there song, be there song. Charity Jackson said, good afternoon. Kizito Mensa, I say, Jerry, please wish my son, Degraft Nana Apia Mensa, a happy birthday for me. Yeah, Nyame Unsha no Yannick say what? Simone LS Nashel. I say I greet you, Jerry. I feel Nana Amwa Bia Labi. I say hi, Brad Jerry. Ajimandu, I say I would like to wish my lovely wife Margaret Abba Ajimandu of multi-choice team. Me sure say better man akweza. Was it multi-choice team branch? If you better my branch. A happy and a wonderful birthday. Okay. And Pat Zor, I say good afternoon. Lydia Tay, I say good afternoon. Nana Sapon, I want to say good afternoon. Linda Engman, I was watching you live from Palermo, Italy. Good evening to you all, my lovely people. And then Mary Adom, I say it's my birthday, 52nd birthday, and a happy 52nd anniversary to you, Mary Adom. Akuya Harry, I say hi, Brad Jerry. What's up? This afternoon, yes, I do with the wrong things. Rosemont now, I say Jerry Justice, I greet you. Trust you're fine. I say Isaac Ampon, I say sister Jerry. My sister. Adom Monica said, good afternoon. In fact, lots of messages coming in. Yeah, minute after minute. But that will take us to videos of our time. Rina, I'll say, Jerry, greetings to my guys inside BBC Come to 2 or the Paris and a buy. You better trust me, but here, as I made the video no tomorrow. Upesa tofu papa emfa ohabia ma okano na okano twetwene mu emubu nipa basa de ye kan fo goil higher grade fuels be at the amount papa. It's been tried and tested, proven and accepted over the years. Now we're also most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. Now we ya wrong papa ina kra and nanche no and they go higher grade fuels no ya san kra feather at 45 no with the XP3 additive and a multifunctional enhancer make you more efficient, eco-friendly na ye turn at no extra cost ebodada na itiborum we our Goil service station bia we no available enye selected fuel stations all Goil fuel stations across the country okwa ubenya Goil Super XP Ron 95 and Goil Diesel XP now they are good can mu can e kwalze baby attending so fill up with Goil higher grade fuels is as a jibia Goil good energy Goil yeah you emwe afa ye mo remu on Facebook no so so wunya by there ye di kan jamum ni nyina ne say videos of our time and I dey ehihye so na me pacho enkomo eni aya na minim de ebinim egye na anu ada na omanfo keka say oh e man no cry omo ha omo hododo sa hairstyle akese yi omo aya no makoye ye ne ade nyina no ehun hye dan nya mema ne sa o ba bi sa man se ne den atabia opese mu ya no makohye mu nails no makohye hair bi ni ade wig ni ade yi si o say yeah mom we want to look nice say the better guys they won't say we did but most of the guys too are saying say almost I no mum pemba my yes and money baby so no baby or simple be neat be natural beauty be sane ade and I don't pay. And if that's the case, then why are the ladies doing what they've been doing all this while? Say they want to look good for the guys, to please the guys and yeah. Baby. Now, your video now and then the show no. Say obabe to me afa pain. What me say oh now so still she want to do this now emfa a touch of beauty bika kramra you say a fashion and ma mo PSC at the end thing only me patrol video no say oba ye bona so me be some ago I did that say tokro nesi but me dem safa na me I say video actually that was long ago, you know what I'm saying now and no getting it done na yeah but no crane to I don't know why oh but still it was painful. Na maybe obi wa na so ba akopɛ just one side e bia na left ear no what tuto kronkron be 5 e wo ho oh obi odi bia hye ne fuma ne ade ne babi na epiese na ye hwɛ sa video yi sesi a oba ono anwu se ne nanfofo apiese na ye ne fe eti so ono so peso ye bi say wo ye dia please ni kunu se ne boyo so ono a peso ye na anya bia o take ma so no your tongue ya wo dididi eno asan bo a ma de kasa yi na o piese so de ye ring bia ko hye so saa no eno saa no mi bisa wo anya bia ma no ede ya ne no ede beba because earring crowd de anka ehye waso a se ne ehuni face tua ho enti we wudu ba bia na akasa na ubie bia wanum za wudu ba bia na ubie bia wanum se de obi abewu ze diamond bia na silver bia na gold bi shall take maso na ye de ayin enti eno a be hye wa wudi abenkwan kokonteni katenkwan wudi saa na stress ho saa na ye den mentiase ode mo amumra na mo mehwe ade no Facebook we na ode ye nto aso minim senso se boys no so na ma omo influencer ma na mom kwa ye yom ho saa say that one I do not know either. Now what is again ni brushes crying and I watching tekrama ya na obrena ye de ade na won tekrama hey na me nsa crowd ade wo ho cry jo na me matwe me tekrama ma na ne tekrama yi aba bonten ana ye piece ade w and the pain she's going through what shall now to me say obrena if you listen to the sound no cry I can't video no na what is that get ni su osu but yet o person endi o pain na to say on be piece ade na wie no be nya saa egine de ahye ne tekrema no so be ana ade bi ya na hye da no ya na wa ya ade we na wudi dokon ni mako mpacho jeko for video to no video no oda mu hwe video no me kan be ka se bia me kasa do mo be kasa me pasem do ni ade ode mo amu hwe video no and then as you watch the video me pacho for comments nba na me nje be na me fam kakra me hwe comments na mo de ba no say especially ladies no say ladies mo be comment an ka me pepa den ne be ma wo be yes if you are a lady and you are watching this eti den ne be mo go through this say you want to pierce your tongue o tekrama ye da wanum yi obi eto ya onum bi o say me wo tekrama pim anka me yi me difu aye now the tekrama ba ku ya wanya dia o ni adai Esther McCarthy or say boys no just be the boys where they make you people they do that you sure Vida Tete also say this is crazy Jerry the messages in Ibano Adena Shate Kokos Roni ade really near there Ejeko mo show video now the comments here na except kakra I'll start reading them nafi ya twaso from there in the meantime no patrol tie na ebomoden a ehye nso sama me say bibia ni a ya no waka yusu floral disposable handkerchief na eno ebetimi aboa ye pa ama ohwatimi ate kama eno ye chance obe use cloth handkerchief so ate ase better we ba ko a all the people who we are now what to action we ba ko the people who we are no we are to action na chese bibia kama ya no krokra se be fit into your pocket your purse or your bag easily na chese bibia ko ye dia ma ne bon so ye den available time bibia do pa no na wa frɛ Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 na do bia ohia bia no ye dia so floral say better than cloth handkerchief eno ehye aiwo eno no afi Dominion herbal powder and I can for Eddie amount jeko video no mo hwe video ni Dominion herbal powder ye can for Eddie amount bomoden a amount sa enka bi na etimi mwa na wo immune system no enya hoden pa nensa normalize your blood pressure amount wo heart or kidney related problems no eyifio amount ma ho etimi eto ye pa afi se eye diabetes ni stroke ni ade ni na so no eboa ekutia no kama na atembia no ho etimi ayodin for any chim ewe na nabo ache ba shops ahodo ni na mu afi Hello Seba Kings Walk about Little George Health Shop what tema 5 Repatch Ventures okoa ehonso obenya bi nyesa ahwehwe Angel Dominion about center sha kwan ewo enkoko obetimi afre 0543 158 195 and afi 020 429 6449 na onium Eddie in Como Dominion about powder your number one immune booster afi fast radio ema the Obasima seal e pacho we a special sealer AGI ene Ghana Standards Authority ediaba na ye de abo food product how do pi na ho e wo market Iti patro ko market na koto food product a ya hwe de wo obasima seal no ho no. Eno no uhunu sa penache se to hu se sa food product no. Ewo 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, good for your body. The more bibia, but especially so make it a point to purchase food products the Obasima seal na bebo yepa. Choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. Abrene na bibia so etimi akoye edi amount. Also tie 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Jeko enya yika krampa chomwa modwa Facebook omunya botre. Jeko yika krabina or the video na tum said na meka wa asem na watch video no. Na mu wie nsa pena ene ebinum so o entertainment prefect, ebinum so entertainment minister, ebinum so entertainment president. Ni nyina na omka entertainment na na wom. D Black is in the building. Iti ene ono so ebedin komo ha, and I do believe say what's nka say he's out with a new album near there. Be di komo na kaka album ne wan semo near there. Plus some so a PP there due to say we cry no videos of our time video ya PS in the thank ya can cry no. And we say betimi aba be fa obi o dey quickly mama as any be din ko akwa misa his take on this one. D Black Charlie Akwaba
Major Subas
Vivia Boko there. Great. Now tell me what my comments be that came from your end say man now we colors near there no those things no just almost serious girls there then it bands and omotron is me
see me preference,
you know, they feel that vibe.
Remember short term but natural hair.
Okay, so we are showing a video. A video no is currently rolling on your Facebook page no. Lady Awako say MPS in a tank man, and she's crying. She's going through pain, but still per se or piercing in the tank. No, they ring show near there. Do you feel? What's in my head? If I show much video right again now, also on Air Force, why the nation and take my survival, but ultimately standing the pain, but she still want to do it. Mibisa D Black or say na ayedeng. Meaning that if you put it there and you go out there, you'll be opening your mouth wide. So that mouth will be who or say I don't know.
Tapping it.
Oh bro. She's really suffering, but she still want to do it. Oh, say I'm cool. Share. Easy. On say on my on their wife. Charlie. This thing.
Too thick.
You know they see that. Hey, wow, look at the way our bread. We are can no to mugra or brafe will be the name to say they make obi na shishin no. Oh no. It's crazy. It's crazy, but Ben, I don't know why they always want to do this nowadays. It's said in America, ladies no more why do people do that? A man, why? Moyas are not ayeding. Hey, I don't know the ones who are wapao. Oh, we are not music. Nil. Eh, Daniel, hey, Charlie, D Black with you. Don't say, eh, need to pose a new. New bar. Oh, Raddy. Anyway. There's be comment be or say a lack of self-confidence and yes, so we want to do that I can't say. Anyways, yeah, back to us. Time was as I say it as somewhere did to your home so now before we do that no Mamenka Monday no yadibi Kusiata ewa it's a D Black aba on also as a demand near to us. So D Black in just less than 2 minutes. That message now be to me dear Magana for it you we are safe and a baby say you for to your home.
In general.
Yes.
Bompire Sronyame. And always be loyal to the people that demand it from you. Because of the loyalty, album now they are questions. It is a bonfire. Sunyame. and always be loyal. Try as much as possible to be a good person.
Oh, okay. That's good. So from D Black, Charlie Bompayo na isru nyame. So what I say? Na very loyal and always try so bit me I a good person.
Yeah.
Very, very important. So if I do this and you out there listening to me, you also do that. Na the world will be a better place. That's simple. Yeah, I say D Black Adama and asem what their mind say in front of you and no. Now your sponsors no your door master and Pubima Paint Depot. You know was a real quick name to us was enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. She also say over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Doors range from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, bathroom doors, glass doors, flash doors, wooden panel doors, wooden metal doors. Nina bi ehwa onso betimi amansa account there. Bonus there at a phone book. And now buying paint from once your partner with news paint and your destination come by a friend paint now, pay later. Nina say schools, hospitals, churches, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Mom magic paint, papa. Namu fanko paint mo dino. Namu wia na ya spread this karamam. Namu chichi and kakra Brian for interest bia enka ho emamom. Eno ehon share no. Ye wo emotion acrylic. Enamel, road marking paints, marine coatings, waterproofing, damp proofing, so wallpaper, wall primers, potty, and then paint accessories. I hold on in now. But we at Shakwan, a war Accra Kumasi Highway, so you war Pobiman to booth one. If I say, would you now Pobiman to booth when you to your shop no more? Obey to me, a frame 0542 745 222. A fee 050 021 2447 na only Edding come I feel finally first day do my MTN say and they already free after one share number. Very simple. And one say obey a call. Now I casa for as long as you wanna talk. What I say. You pay for just the first minute of the call and the rest is absolutely free. In addition, I enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser for free. When you just go on and dial *550# to subscribe to MTN free after one now and stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go.
Don't call me out into your body, my man, to me. Now me your biba, miss me your biba. Won't pay me a job, now miss me your biba. Now me your biba, miss me your biba. Won't pay me a job, now miss me your biba.
They say what goes around, when they come around, cause scale ye. Well, lie, who you come apart. And I've seen them all, falls lost and found my cross sound, but I'm a pedada now. That's in the beat, pass time with you. All day, all night, on my mind be you. So when it's bad times, I go cry with you. But when the sun shines, I go rise with you. See, when I'm gone, and I don't call, doesn't mean that the love ain't no more. I just steady on the grind, try to make more. And I go fight for your love, to say Jean-Claude. Goddamn, Van Damme. Anybody go to test, we go sound them. I just biz do, but how they kick for your love, make you start dance. How the way through, bam.
Now me your biba, miss me your biba. Won't pay me a job, now miss me your biba.
And that's Obiba, D Black, and this one features Kiddy. D Black afi akwa bankazangaza afi na we in the night.
I receive. Thank you.
Say bibi aboko there. Ye denyame ase. Charlie, you've been in the news. Now say, hey, baby, I'm for be D Black. Charlie, but tell me, what strategy or music industry? I say we be a different. The other time, was it Sam, I runabout your fear, you over near the Vaco runabout. So as I was a billboard BC on the Adom Channel, I said, D Black. Just a loyalty this and hey, Brian, and you're proud. Okay, so first of all, tell us about Loyalty album. You can want some kakrache.
Having been very active in the music scene for almost 5 years, maybe even more than 5 years.
Yeah.
So I decided that when I was going to actually get back to it, I wanted to do it well and properly and put my everything into it. So I created this album. I actually created 2 albums. From when COVID came, I was stuck outside Ghana for about 5 months. So I created the first album. I got back to Ghana in August, since March. And when I got back to Ghana, I got in the studio again and recorded another album. So I created 2 albums. The first one is Loyalty. The second one is Disloyalty. So Loyalty is a 12-track album with 5 skits from different celebrities, I would say, people in the industry, movie industry, music industry, comedy industry, sharing their views on loyalty on the album. I picked about 6 people, and they are connected to like different songs on the album. So you have Ifya Schwarzenegger and Delay talking about their views on loyalty. That's connected to a song called Loyalty on the album.
Wow.
Daco Vibes. You have Moesha telling us about her first heartbreak, connected to a song as well on the album. You have Clemento Suarez also talking about his views on if money is important in a relationship. Yeah. Which is connected to a song called Loving You featuring Peruzzi. We have James Gardner also sharing his opinion on, or telling us about his experience, where people think that celebrities don't get rejected by the opposite sex. He tells us about that, and it's connected to a song called.
Go on, brutal.
So it's a journey. The album is a journey. I created this last year, and then finally we put it out last week. So this is the first week since the album has been out. Wow. The first single, however, came out 4 weeks ago. It's called Enjoyment Minister featuring Stoneboy and Kwamina MP. A second single came out last week too with the album called Control with Kofi Jama, Camido, Dead People, and Kwamina as well. And the album came out on the same day. So it's been a week since we dropped the album. It's available everywhere. You see the billboards out, you see the music video.
It means that this is volume 1 of Loyalty. Volume 2 is
October.
This year, yeah.
5 years, I haven't done much, so now.
Hey, have you now 5 years now? What lay low and you bad now the boom points are boom. On to was me so clean, in October now I signed another album I signed. Pressure. Hey, any which will go up. Wow, because this one with the actual songs and skit neck counting now crowd put together, I'm seeing like 14, right?
No, 12 songs and 5 skits. So
yeah.
17.
So 17. Okay, yeah. And Charlie, for you to get this, you will be working on this for years, and then or drop here where the doom crack. Now we see and we be now October was had another album was
October 29th.
What's our crowd date?
I'm born in that.
The 29th of October.
Yeah.
Volume 2 never.
Yeah.
Okay, so you better we want say mum there, but said they all can't we share me no. I'm curious about the volume 2 no. Would that one also follow the same pattern as this, and also or celebs was so also stories are pepe nebeko. Yeah. To say we are. Yeah. Inti no I'm sana.
What time in do you?
Oh man. Okay, so aside the people that you mentioned, those celebs maybe a particular song, the title no has something to do with Omo and I don't know. Artists and Kasa that you put them on the album. Let's talk about them one because I know of Daco Vibes, the end of my I've been enjoying that one and the other. But aside him, who?
There's a high life song that I really like on there called Din Ding.
Din Ding. Yeah. Oh, okay. And Din Ding talks about what?
It also talks about love. She's talking about a guy she met in Kumasi.
Okay.
That she fell in love with.
Wow.
And I'm also playing the role of the guy, and we're telling a story together. Yeah. There's a song called Stay, featuring Simi from Nigeria.
Okay.
There's Loving You with Peruzzi. There's Enjoyment Minister with Stoneboy and Kwame MP. There's Loyalty with Daco Vibes, which you've heard.
Yeah.
There's Control, it's a hip hop song that has Kofi Jama, Dead People, Kamido, and Kwame MP again on there. There's Praise from Nigeria is also on there. Who else?
Guys also I come up.
There's one of my favorites is Kiss and Tell featuring Akwabwa.
Wow.
Also on there.
Wow. Okay, so the man is saying, yeah, at least yeah, a bit of it kakra. Now, at least for people to know about, because kakra na bana I say yeah bobo on radio na binu muti about if you be on share dance the other ones need na at the end,
The more Kiss and Tell with Akwabwa.
Okay, so let's do Kiss and Tell, right?
Yeah.
All right, let me go through that one real quick now. And one some Bills. Yeah. Me patrol, be mommy, Kiss and Tell why. Okay, I got it here. All right.
Border live and direct from the drama.
All right, so this is Kiss and Tell, D Black, fishing Akwabwa.
If you want it, I go bring out. If I bring out, you go fall. Come and try me, you go down. Before you know us, then you won't. Came back just the other day. I was chilling with my niggas out on holiday. Safari Valley it is. Me and 4 friends just chilling it is. I'm a 3 hot babies. Spot this one thing, please stop, baby. What be your name? I'ma do you know crazy. This how you drive me, please stop, baby. What did she? What do you move? Let me hold your hand and bring you close. What did she? What do you move? When you bend your knees and touch your toes.
Anywhere you go, girl, I go jolly to follow you. Girl, I'm losing control. Oh, girl, I wanna spend my life with you. And I want you to come over me, be my wife, be the Uber, dirty mercy, I don't wanna kiss and tell. No, I don't wanna kiss and tell. No, I don't wanna kiss and tell. No, I don't wanna kiss and tell.
I'm your king, that's a promise. Oh yeah, I'm selfish, I no go share you, then I for near you. Anybody try run for the fear to the boy where you get for park back. In my rainbow, when the sky's dark. My 4th day, the 4th day, where I know say you be my babe. I don't wanna kiss and tell. But if you wanna, we can tell the whole wide world.
Wow, that's nice. It's two teams say Akwabwa kind of song, pa. Two teams say, oh share that share and as this one there, Charlie Akwabwa no way, Charlie go fit do this one. What I say. Anyway, so aside this one, which one do you want us to listen?
Ding Ding with Ifya.
We should do Ding Ding.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So this is Ding Ding. D Black featuring Ifya. You bunu talk now wait yet in the big crack. I'm on Philly.
Yeah. If I never ever, if somebody ever, never, we could live forever. You ever see girl make your heart cut? Never. This chick a diamond, I hit the jackpot. Joey Lou, the traffic light up. I try to fly the damn shit stop. So I step on the gas, I put it in reverse. Your friend me quit some black, I'm just trying to be your friend. What's up?
I didn't know that you dream, Mr. Masomo, I don't know you dream, Mr. Masomo, I didn't know that film, Mr. Masomo, I don't know film, Mr. Masomo, if you tell us when I'm in convention, I'm sure, baby. Let me say, I'll see it's a way, then I'm say, hey, me, come baby. I'll see. Cause me, but I need your love.
So I love this one. I love this one. Now me comments but me basisi a yenye adwuma bi sisi awi na any D Black Metro so unfortunately ade abam sisi a ne say there's a breaking news that say omanfo mo ye galamsey no enipa miensa yate so mo ewu and about 40 almost no aka ewo asase no mu amena mu abuagu omo so ewo Breman mining pit na ye rep Isaac Nomenyo adu ho no mutisi a chese omo ehwe situation nti no yen crossing co TV na yen hwe as omo afa live feed no na yentie se de esi ekwefa na ye beto so sisi a
so ko galanse ma pa na se ma na nko so ba ko ina makulu so ya ande ada ya sapia ano hontom ina me ba se o ko galanse na me se ma na nko oyai entina yenyes kanso to aduani ni so ya de a ba sire o se de pifma wa fufu unya deni nia amane how na msida bi ya fa here ya fa tunase o se de pima amen ko ana me bai du ko ya no hayes me bayu yesu na di me fa mani ko me bai me ko ya me ban so wo se am pa ko se ala ya le fo yesu de ba bi me fla de foi. Ka bien ça. O moi moite. Me pa mobo. Pa mobo pa.
O ba no di fiese.
Ba cho me ba ye 30.
O ma esen.
Ma me esen.
Bo no to sen.
Oh for.
O no to sen.
Na manya otrenka
Me to onka
no maami a osui ne ba no wanya mfinhia du na akoda mfinhia du no hye fam ho bia na so omugina kokko so na bubegu wom so
ni fie no aye mfinhia du miensa na me ne se de ba na mfinhia du miensa nya mfinhia edu na wo kire se nega numere no e na me ba ne ka kire ni se wo ko galamsey eni die numere no eno wo ka kire ni se amane nko
Isaac eno de maame na kanada na me pese hu sa kwara no ono ankasa no kuta aso ene sika ye di tubi a okoko wura fam anaso ono wo kokko so ena de no bebegu ni so
yo mo ya de se wo ho emema no e de sofi ni sabo no e tu ade na mo mo di gu time na ma no so so no mo horo yo ade na mo ahodo mienu no mo ye wo mo tu na tie no e de wo mo so a e de wo mo horo nti abaga no kosoadi no ababa be horo e de abro mo horo no to mo so ani bi e ka ho nti ya no wo mo na de ni bugu ye na ho no mo koso na tie ni free e de ba be dia machine no wo e horo no ha nti no koso ai wa koso mo ko chapter na se de no ko koso na tie ni e na mani tirgu no so
sesi a wo se empanimfo ahwa se nka nipa aduane o maka fo mo nko betuma yi o mo ma ya adwuma o munya anyi ba kokora sabre eye omo ana wo soro no bi a o mo ya tiasefo na kan se o mo ye 40 o fam ho ana se nipa de o ma dwe busa
national director again Isaac Jesse one and national director wo upper bench la we ni ko no o ka kire me se wo mo ba ho na branch ba ku bi ka ho bi no ka kire wo mo
Isaac
yes
ma yenti nadmo coordinator no koma woni di ye no ye besa ba won chen sisi a
match Tena ugene nipa no saka ibiana
oje me dase alopana ya ba we ya ba to ni se na omotu yi nipa me nsa a omo ayi na media iti aduma ye fo ni ba kwa yi anu na o ma statistics se machine ba bia nipa 11 na ye aduma o ebi no tina ebi soa na dodo na nkasa ye ma nti yɛde yɛni fɛ na machines ɛwɔ ha yɛ 9 to 14 a machines no mu 4 ɛna yɛ affected a ɛbi mu adwumayɛfoɔ no ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ baabi a machine ɛyɛ adwuma a yɛhu sisi yɛ nti 3 no polisifoɔ boaeɛ ɛne kurumafoɔ no boaeɛ na ɔmo yi wɔ mu ɔmo de ɔmo pɛɛ na nnipa a ɛwɔ ha ahoɔden ntumi ntu road no fɛyɛ sɛ yɛde assembly member ne divisional commander ne dominant polisifoɔ ɔmo nnipa a ɔmo gyina no yɛ Mr. Fofie ne Solo nyinaa ne madibɔfoɔ ka yɛ ho mu a yɛpɛ machine a ɛyɛ adwuma nti abɛto saa deɛ ɔmo gu so ayɛ ɔmo ma yɛ assurance na yɛ anadwo na ɔmo yɛ adwuma nti ebi wɔ amena no mu a ɔmo ntumi nkyerɛ ebi nso ni amena no mu a ɔmo ntumi nkyerɛ but ebi ɔbɛto wɔn no pɛ statistics ɔmo de maa yɛ no na sɛ deɛ ɔmo ka no nti nipa bɛyɛ aduasa deɛ ɔwɔ saa amena no a ɛwɔ hɔ ɔmo ewu na ebi so yi bɛyɛ 1 hour yi nya obiara nti ebi so asɛ adwuma mi mu yɛ no ntumi nkyerɛ no bia ebi tumi ɛwɔ bia ɔmo sɛ government directive na aba sɛ obiara nyɛ galamsey bi no nti obiara gyae na wɔn mu a wɔn yɛ adwuma na wɔn na asase wura no information bɛnya sɛ wansoma wɔn sɛ wɔn na yɛ adwuma wɔ ha efi sɛ.
Enti abusua said the adeɛ no ɛkɔ no no yɛwusu deɛ ani di akyire biribi atɔ fam from this unfortunate incident here si a yɛbɛma ma so ate na elia no kra tete bi ɛte yɛn kra kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ no si na mpofiri mu na no na almost struggle sɛ nka ɔmbɛnya excavators bi na nka bɛtu yare sɛ amena bɛba bɛda baabi na nkurɔfoɔ no atumi ahome na ɔmo anwu a ɛnso ɔmo nya excavator bi ɔmo obi sisi kwan ɔmo so wɔ dabi wahwɛ ɔmo de kɔ a na yɛ anomfoɔ bi ɔmo bɛhye no nti no it's a very unfortunate adeɛ but you see this is one of the reasons why some of us na say saa adeɛ na yɛhyehyehye no deɛ anka wɔn ntwɛn no obi asuro sɛ wɔde ne machine yi kɔ me de akotu yi sɛ ayifo ba no mo yɛ mo adwen sɛ wo bo amo kotu bi no mo kɔhye na mo yɛ ndɛ die ne mama ade nzio yes gala yɛ frɛ yɛ ma excavator bi anko wura mu de mama ade nzio ɛne sɛ afei no mo timi nya bia ɔmo try so they are still on it with the NADMO team no they be PF mu ababia na nkrofo 40 or 41 na sabe de omo aye trapped ewo galamsey pit ni mu no they be PF mu ababia na be ma so ate but already nso de yenya ante say 3 there they are confirmed dead some de omo ewu nti 41 na aka na omo trap wa asase ni mu no e na sese mpanimfo hwe de omo betimi aye afam nti de betom bia so no ye be ma so ate. Now, before going for this, we were on the collaboration with D Black and Efia. Now me say me will comments be to make about this very song. No Krindi. Metie and be on the Loyalty album. Now I am yet to pick my favorite on it, but it looks like this one here. I don't know. Maybe I might settle on this one. Though mintie dia kani na ye, but I know me ko ye mama pa D Black. And this time round looks like I said what change you style big krabi ne ade. I don't know, but I don't know what went into this production and kasa, but who tie na especially the one with you and Akwabwa like this. Who say Charlie what more boy say you know Juma Kama, and this one too same. It's nice. Maybe I have to listen to the rest in Sana, but for now no. This one it sits well for me. Let me just admit it. It goes well. All right, so
I'll give you another song now. Challenge.
Okay, so give me that one. Let's listen to it. And say maybe a bit challenge you we are.
Play Stay featuring Simi.
Stay. Okay. Let me go through Charlie. I know it also. Okay. So, is that one features who?
Simi.
Okay. All right. I got it. All right. So this is Stay. D Black featuring Simi.
D Black. Simi.
You know I wanna stay right here with you. Me, I know they play. Me, I don't play no games with you. Every single day, baby, if that's okay with you. Me, I go stay.
calling, but baby, you're falling. You're loving me, not be normal. I know they play, hey. Forget everybody, demo go, they give you story. Tell you this, you bought me, but you my bae, hey. So baby, stay. You've been on my mind, these thoughts I can't erase. I just wanna bend you over, holding on your waist, and I ain't going nowhere till you start to say my name. Right here's where I'm gonna be. Baby girl, come close, feel my heartbeat. I got special love for you, this is on me. I just wanna see you smile when you buy me, baby.
You know I wanna stay right here with you. Me, I know they play. Me, I don't play no games with you. Every single day, baby, if that's okay with you. Me, I go stay. I'll stay right here with you, right here.
Everybody must know, and if they don't know, I go mount billboard for the Osu saying how I love you. But see, I chose you, and don't believe anything the haters told you. I want you in depth, I'll never let you go. I promise when I'm mad, I'll never let it show. Cause Moko Ben said, it's all on you. One I'm a pet in my dear too. Right here's where I'm gonna be. Baby girl, come close, feel my heartbeat. I got special love for you, this is on me. I just wanna see you smile when you buy me, baby girl.
I can be the light of your life. I can be your baby tonight, and I can let you be Mr. Right. And I can be the light in your eyes every single time that you smile. You know I wanna be the reason why. Oh, I wanna stand in the rain with your lips on mine. I wanna whisper your name and hear you whisper mine. I want forever with you. Forever's not okay, but I want forever with you. You know I wanna stay right here with you. Me, I know they play. Me, I don't play no games with you. Every single day, baby, if that's okay with you. Me, I go stay. I'll stay right here with you.
Now I think I need to slow down. Now me I'm album. Wow. Asem now kind of down. I thought that one was, my favorite actually. But let me just be honest with you. D Black, what's the song? Yeah, oh yeah, yes. The kind of songs I made here on the album so far, Charlie, you force.
Thank you.
Why, Juma? You've really taken your time to work on all those songs now. My tea so far, and all of them are just so on point.
Thank you very much.
I love this one too. Right now, my favorite is a bad thing. Because when I heard the one with you and I was like, yeah, man, or don't you know, chima coma. And then the one with you and the theater, I was like, Charlie, but see, I will soon. Oh man, I wish you could do all of them, but let's try and fix in some 2B before. Yeah.
Okay, let me give you gospel.
Hey, what's it saying?
Light gospel.
Debbie. Entertainment minister, how mommy gospel?
Gospel, light one. And heavy gospel. Yeah.
Really?
Light
okay.
one.
So
it's called Glory with Sefa and Ice Prince.
Really?
Yeah.
Glory.
Yeah, that's the last song.
Okay.
On the album.
All right. I was saying ENTA Glory. Entertainment minister there called church.
Oh, D Black, what's good?
What up, Ice? Yeah.
GH like Jock.
Here for the glory.
And yes, I'm Jimmy. I don't tell. And yes, I'm a quadruple Araboya. Me come in, me penina, and Yamia. It is a wound, I don't think
be everything for the rush. As God day, champagne with the pop. I'm not really asking for a lot. I'm just glad to be alive. You know, be all up for the talk. I try to hold my tongue sometimes. I'm just waiting in the zone good time. The blessing just to over me now. And the goodness just to buckle me down. Come on. Now it's lobster for breakfast. We still like the cocoa. Champagne to quench all the thirst we swallow. Private and first class, the way we to travel. It's not by my might, it's the God I follow. Let's go. I'm just here for the glory.
grace is when I wake up. Whip out 2 pumps on my chest and then my face up. Amen. Light me up and split just to bake up. I read a verse from the Bible, had me feeling like Jacob. God knows best, so I leave no stress. If I know they do, I'm your way, brother. Please no vex. Remember, I'm in the hustle to sign checks. Me and Sofa, no feet walk like ties and brown necks. All the girls you they carry up and down. They know they pick your call when you go through up and down, sir. 1 naira, 1 cedi, £1, $1 every hour till the day we get down. Ice.
My no la so so hubunbonga ne shozila mina manje ngilokula because the chose ubanja lo makanyitso shuba ukuthi ushona usivunisa amandle ase yabonakala amandle anikuke sabalala nge mangidlula basale bakhala nge namanje ngithi njakhala angimele sifele khona ngamanye.
Bre woo bedru. So that's Glory. Yeah. Nice one. You can say DHR. I know no so a door super. So there's a way I say make sure you get the Loyalty album. So I'll take my time tonight and make sure say from A to Z. Me feeling in now because I know what just tell me what would see me be. Which of them are about because I knew the guy. I knew not to say they are all on point. So we need to get the album. Black say it's available everywhere.
Yes, it's available everywhere. Since last week, Friday.
Okay.
It's everywhere. Everywhere online. Anywhere you could think of, you can find out.
Yeah. And I went to the say, "Why now? Where didn't we only be near?" Black Avenue. Yes, one. Anyway, I mean, it's a nice album.
Thank you.
Well done. What boy Juma?
Thank you.
What boy Juma? But me de be slow down kakra na yen feel album we kakra sana because you see here beside another one because Charlie, there are lots of songs on this one and they are all dope tunes that we need to take our time and enjoy it well.
Christmas,
we be anka now you find next one in the Christmas we go Charlie. All right, so before Albert Corner, I mean, if there's anything that you want to put out there, you have that opportunity now for you.
I just want to say thank you to all of you at Adom FM, the whole BAM Nation, Black Avenue Music, everybody that's been part of the journey so far.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. God bless you guys here.
All right.
Justice.
All right.
Thank you so much, man. Madam Masapa, Doreen. Shout out to Doreen too.
All right. Charlie. That be the thing. I'm out for Munkope Loyalty album right now. Album na a short day. I mean these days hardly so benya album and young baby also say about me aka crebi o. Oh man. But I'm gonna go back to
Enjoyment Minister.
Oh, okay. Ode okwa later me am about them person. This is how I the other my body person na okwa. Then I'll see what I'll do. Which one?
Enjoyment Minister.
Enjoyment Minister. Okay. They say Edina na waja final aka. He say no one will be a car na there. I see papa we. But be ani je wo bia o hwehwe di black ho a. Ehọ na be hu no. Okọ ba bia no niwa. O de twen. O hwe ba bia ehọ boss na. Just go and take some U-turn before there. By the time you realize now, you go see then honor or shall we? Okay, so let's enjoy this one.
Flames on the beat.
Yeah. It's the minister. Let's go.
Welcome to the Enjoyment Ministry. Yeah. Welcome, Accra. The turn up is here. Let the music work. We're partying all the way till 9 in the morning. Is that deep like I see? Is that the Enjoyment Ministry?
Yes,
turn up, let's go. The D&D. When you are
Quan with it pop till it's more. Let the champagne fly in the air to set bomb. Lights up, hands up, hands up, bands up, Throw the rap sign, put your racks up. Everybody up in the club, throw your hands up. If you got money in your pocket, put your hands up, put your hands up. If your girl think you hands up, put your hands up. If you're having the time of your life, put your hands up. If you're good for the night, feel now, thank you, five. Bring them more, Charlie, my make nice. This is poo poo to Charlie, boom, where? Enjoyment, boom, where? What? How you go ball? How you go ball when you ain't a player, G? Lord have mercy. Better bring 20 DP. Fly there. Hey, come on. One year walla. Yeah, G&E. One year walla. Yeah, G&E. One year walla. One year walla. One year walla. Hey, with it, Suja. Hey, with it, Suja. Hey, with it, Suja. Hey, with it, Suja. Enjoyment, Suja. Enjoyment, Suja. Enjoyment, Suja. Enjoyment, Suja. Yolo, one life. We have a turn up, to one life. We have a party again. Sexy girl, you my dance, and I wine to the floor. We have a party again. Give me the wine, my girl. Give me more and more. We have a party. We now go look nobody. Easy and squeeze it. Me not come here to chop on nobody. Yeah. Oh.
Come for the new Infinix Hot 10T phone amount. Phone papa. Ya on saka bia tumi say ampa. Bibia. Na to abo asan run kama pa. Ikra 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display. And on the battery power and the jojaja etem 5000 mAh battery capacity. And I am man Helio G70 gaming CPU. Yeah, man, all the board games near there was I run it faster pa. Come on. Ma won sanka bisesia. Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 64 gig ROM. Only 788 Ghana cedis. And I feel Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 124 gig ROM. And also 888 Ghana cedis only. We are available our phone shops out on them across the country. We are the door panel accredited Infinix shops ni them on sa ebekabio. Otobia Shen so watch there to say cross body bag, a face, sports bottle, mags, and many more. Nina beat me out there. Infinix, the future is now. Just give me the quality, give me the shallow. And they said the idea na yentino me master Scott ato bomb ba kubi sesia sharp na because say na senke any alternative you na ye trust na breaking news bi no ni ade na dia kalamzi yesimunya musubusimunya sa ni ade it said the idea ye say wa just a minute bi ka kre bi ke de ento aso ate ase ade Sewawa. Says God, gradually. Says God, gradually. Let me have a go here. The arcade, yeah, and the arcade. Unim gradually. Time. It's in the mess. I get a room this year. Mess listeners. I'm fan cham nyame watching. Nyame watching. Yes. Name no me sorry ano no. Oko. Oh Nadia me na South African same yesi. Unim say omo work COVID-19 no. Vaccine na unim oma develop a strategy bi a ekere say ofa utumi fa dropping na oma app bi abetimi agaje zo fa me ko center ba ko no menko omo yes asa omo yes anje che ntinga na me ba be chirechire mu ni ade
okay
time ni ntino my top me to bomb me ka sam na
okay
Brajer you
chemi
say we oba na say work weddings maku 25 na say won worry ya you are not different from a canopy. Meeting Edison Scott Patrick, I'm watching this year, right?
This one I will not repeat it. And while I'm busy, bingo view. Hey. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Nana Ekuya Sechiwa Dako. Oya Media Relations Manager, our Petroleum Commission. The message here says, I pray for increased grace and favor for you in the coming years. And this one came in from Nanaya of DVLA. Wishing you a happy birthday. Nana Ekuya Sichua Dako. Enjoy your birthday. Abe wazo. Na. Okay, so quickly, you remember room na ye the irrigated sports atwaso e the amount team penifon kasa na yenko yenim.
Well, please. Irrigated sports, a perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports, a papa. So listen to irrigated stuff. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be miti irrigated sports. There is no day minty irrigated because miti manage na me stress.
Nice one. Over.
Open program one dedication fast sports one. Tie irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwaba.
Yadro.
Na empon mu to say.
Oh, nyame adom bibia e fine.
E de nyame ase.
To da bia na.
Tie. Oh.
Credit e ba ko pe.
That tie.
Another ntoma men kasa.
Unofficial kaswa mayor. Akwaba.
Yeah,
na empon mu to say.
Oh, body adaro.
Yo, bizarre no mpese meka say.
Na nkrofo enti oya so den galam say, when nyai won.
Oh, na umusam se kaswa.
Ama ade na den kaswa so die si o.
Bisa me.
Okay, kaswa de say.
Kaswa boko. Kaswa nyame adum kaswa boko na de say de nyame ya adum da no nse. Sala gala bi ko so. Emma the whole Ghana omo boy. Kaswa for the G.
Sa. Say mo de G cap football.
Ehun na to omo.
Why is no say dey see ball no?
Ehun because o sha omo ha.
One statement na make here. Me say when they are G because
na wonim say
such a cash here.
Debut your place ni bebre ho Kaswa na omo titi na say place. Bebre. Oh bebre. Awa Muhammad ya no bokotoko 5 Asante Asante ya na honketenkete no obebo Black Stars kra Kaswa boy bebre Ishmael Yati ne bra kra na ne team ne sa Chita FC ya nkwada no bobo basa bobo papa tokunum nyina Kaswa boys na unim se me nda me ball juma na me so me fotrotro na makofi wo se me de me trotro de me fani abo Kaswa de bibie timisi arewo sem ni se
obi a we kura ase boko no bunu no
arewo sem ni se ka no kono ana boy ba ko sini phone afra to ka no nti se mate ni si aya on hweso be hu a se na ka no phone afra to boot mate no ko yi obi ni o ma no fa phone no de share bag
mate no a pocket
we na iduru Kaswa na kwa na se ni phone no still a wo huni And I'm man, Miss who said, mate, no phone be a shame, but to no say. No, I'm on for. On fire say, no, say mean fire, and I boys in this okay, so on fire, yeah. Bag it to an essential call be upon said that. You mean bag will be him, I then I will be him bagging. Almost will be him was him. Baby was me, you will see, and as we try ye. Near taxi drivers, I will be a sea by, and I must have baby. Hey, I'll wait be a phone. You
as a friend saying that you punk and we would you betty. When you grab baby, be a phone a shemu passy. One would be better one as soon, sir. To tap. A branch of a day. Before now, no more than now. I mean, I'm best come driver and also could be a crabby can. Since our brother boys in Ibizana driver take a no a defending image. No one who you cassette be a moment. Hey, was you me? I didn't was you me on the bag and was you me.
So somewhere. I go back at you and now you and some want to say na. Also for two teams as a ball league not at top one year and him. Huh? The whole Ghana league I have bono. A crowd of folk and at that top. It is I want you a chance with team a top league.
They say team that first. But the game you know do with just 2 goals difference and what we
them we are see
with just 2 goals difference and one no
what's it just there
2 goals in your points so goals oh masa
go ya kwetwa
the same points with the team or next to you
last 5 years 5 years difference with more than 6 points
dia any wo mu ne say league ya ye boy nyina Kumasi Asante Kotoko emo 1 league game kura wo home ni nyina ya away from home
ekwa partial home ekwa partial home
away from home so still
kwaku
ekwa otinkra ha ebobo ni nyina wo the same point
no de me
and ma ye legend
come of the century come of the century
kwame nyamotre me ka bia ma kwaku and the case mu ye David because team can say ena uni home obi ansoma o virtual home etino enye say
virtual home football virtual home
o mase wom we dey wom wom etime fa no mom
onfa home ni dey ben
ye kra dey em fa kan se mo na me dey em one say we 5 years ago mo lead with 6 points we are say
Liverpool ko dey jadi o
we say mo men kan Liverpool so we say mo
we won the cup 10 years ago we won the cup
we say 5 years ago mo da top with 6 points difference
so kind of president friend saying na Adom Akufuado
enye dey mo nya bi dey ni say wa
president of Ghana league ayebo 2020-2021 across the folk first asa 2020-2021
what can say be say one league na obey dey
obi say
dabi wo kan bibi enura na wo kan e amo matwa to ama me ntina me pesa wo say repeat wo say ha say antimi anje league na wo kan bibi dabi wan kan bibi sa me sin kwara ni ntwa to ama na mo matwa to zo ama me dabi 70
Obe pa sure.
And obi busa ma say no me say ba me busa.
No, come are you serious?
I will have my be sure papa.
She say
somebody if you be pa ba come dey ba kwa Nigeria say. Ma league way.
Enya wa na be pa no, ye be pa na.
Okay, say David T. Say the my 90. You are
enya ono na be pa ne yen.
But to
when we have be odo me kwa benya market no kwa no ho. Yen be pa na man. We kwa dem me fa ncho.
What so mo sakra ma da?
Ka.
I was a twins I bet you. What the you supposed to more bro. You want to blade the other day worse. Almost na abana buy a shame. Almost take it to
papa. Oh yeah,
but no ye change the bobo.
Blade the
David and no you David here.
It's in Jan.
What they Jan what be just say one.
Oh me no you crew na. I'm just.
I did say from Pekara.
Near Fennes in Che were free moons. I see. Will be free my encourage 70.
What did they ask?
They all come here at us.
Gegenshos mama.
Mama Yakia.
Or say, and never buy Menchian. Gegenshos.
Oh,
0. Machia when you bring. Why?
Nano Shami was at idea of oh, Quaco Jimmy. Oh. I am first steps, Yano, or I tell him, send a match and match. I tell him to be Jimmy. Moka. Kwaku,
and there waka 0 idiot. Mefa a ye.
And there's no one to see.
Oh, Mamma, and do me on my brain.
As an saying, what's I say, a ye mooking up out.
Then I can.
Masky, what's he want to up and say?
I said,
a real power.
Oh, yes,
because
and yes, my bomb is second job, and every intermediate job. As I'm
coming near real power. I mean, a glass into the you know, so we will
okay, a 0 say funeral announcement to be on Tino. From Siciana. We cry a 1 week, me bamba mami a 1 week observation. Yeah, just say yeah, the issues were no the family head. And I feel family members, siblings, any children of the late Mama Monica Yabua. One more tons of fresh sympathizers na say the 1 week observation basso. Just say no nyame admo ifida we are Friday the 28th of May and basso no pan 9 the ekopim say enumre ebedu na ebekoso ewo nana kwadwo aduhini memorial school nakams grounds wa ewo sehwi yoso ho enadumediem basso no mo chese COVID-19 protocols ni na no when be hwede ni na so pepepe ne ade nti obi a wo babia na wa hye so sa
good na make na sports presenter bi no okuma se ne friend no see by ni see by ni say papa na okay ya wo no start sports show na no pa no gina mu a wo run na full announcement na mu
oh yes sports no
ai ne na mu say ono age na o de be kwa me
o de be kwa client service no no ara
yeah. What ya shero
akoma yo aya no must come kan kwasi da de
kumase kom bia ni o
kumase kom bero
kumase tabi an kakra kwa wudimi ni
presenter bia ni ho a se kom
presenter kumase tabi an kwa wudimi ni oh mate jai
na anam busa ma sembe obabi na sembe busa mo nso amo se se ye ba gi u phone 2 years and say only oba and 2 years and as I won't have sex 2 years emu de won na obetusu. You be without your phone for 2 years, or you not have sex for 2 years.
I bet you summer.
I idea or I just say.
I can't. Wait now.
And then you can.
There be TT. Me can't na fusuba go and I make it a me. I can do without phone for 2 years. You can say me two way. I mean, can say I won't be. There are times the whole day now. I'm making my phone down.
Without a phone, yes sir.
I can do that.
Okay, and now be
yes, and
over for the
never something me better. No phone better baby.
2 years.
The crowd the only confused do crana. Come for phone no enya die bia
obi go bi ma
kwa mu ni na me ka che o say tie kwa gu mi ba ba
say me ba o openi the phone ye puta ye say sika o phone ho chen ya ni padua
tie me mo wa ha na me ka say some sick as them to 2 years kakra major phone use man can say we are
no
emails
me yeah man options ni me choose back no gra there are days me decide say me come phone so
okay minimum there me I cannot live without my phone for 2 years.
Ayo
I can't live without my phone for 2 years. It is a 3 against.
Then over to seminar.
And you Joseph. Sophie.
What do credit to not to seminar?
I couldn't say.
Oh man, no, that's the man says Anna.
Free no for street.
So put them up. I do totally crazy. Shower gel.
Ebe kakra hwem kwa iso ni mbom punimpu.
Yes, I found the abwa.
Don't me mbom punimpu. Ma yo wacho.
Eja na beba ni pakọ de ba beja front desk. Obeba no de eja eja. Wa de bi wa eja.
Sa ntimo ne kwa say ya fa phone.
Eni pe be di na hin na phone abejima boss.
Boys, but I'm pampa so ni ba be brain na answer no. Answer e mo de ya say they will prefer to be sleeping with a woman than so make it on phone. But
I PD Atoba could be out to me this year. Yenye. Was it happy Okoli of the Ghana Police Service? Josh Tigo and a Tosanka.
Yeah, Mama Quenya, almost a bit much from my said 2 years only. Or ban and I said 2 years on kita phone. Almost do my game actually buy back in Kana. I'm 40. Kwaku. Kumasa Santa Kotoko. Nami Adomwa one Adriana Ebesi Akan. Na wena abranti aba kubia na ono osi Akan wa Kotoko. A friend Sam Adams. Na odi atudwa se obetwe Kotoko aso de kire se owo Kotoko no. Akwan Kotoko fo de ne efa aso nti owo menasepo ama Kotoko. Na woni ba bia okotwe se kan na atuo ni omakoko some much we ana obetwe kotokwaso eji obagire ne ho
onu kutu no
be ma ho
da bi onu kutu no
team work
na nyo na bo na chi aje penalty mamo
team work kwaku ode chese
onu a
da bi nya samada
kwaku ode chese
wa me bo papa bia o
on concern da na
unti de mekanase oya ade asen koda so
no so be
ayi Manuel Jamfi no money ade so mo ba yin no
Kwame question na obisa
Felisa na wokotoko be AC
mesra mo ma fam komachi one step question na obisa no for a man member na say it oban so 2 years without phone and I said 2 years without sex
that's what I'm saying sir
o de say yen pia na obisa yin tina minim say bia man kan
but man you bet me kuta 2 years kra na onye yi
oba no de a man de betimi atrusu without sex because when they are going to meet na cheche
ebinum de menstrual pains she wan ho no sa na we nso when they she wan ho nti eya menye je on
ma de e ba sa de we anonity sa de
second ebinum de eya omo ya pa omo nka akoma akope na eka yesu sai aye kosuku yi se ye boy to ma oba betimi agina honom age agu ne ho nti aka omo kra na ayi 70 no na wan de ahye wan
kwaku nim se obi wo ko tumi ne yere tena that's 2-3 months na ne na ye ofo se ne yere ne ye okay o na me de research ne ba na oni ha me pa so da ko research ne se a man
I say, I have lived 4 years without sex. I can't live without my phone.
What has
Rashida?
Yeah, obi so dia no.
Oh yes.
But the phone dey want to be nyanto ho. But sex dey. Obetimi aje mu kakra.
Ampa bod na kikantia.
Bom de. Nya na onya bi. Cause obabi wonya obi am no be have sex. Ya o mani bi wo ne kama nsie ni ye. Ma ni hu wadwen pa. So be bi mama pa de oboa. Sa afo ne.
Aje so abo.
Aha. You man kakra. Oh yes 7 ne say. Kwa gudi wini dia kwa ya mi dia nyenye.
Onti asia udi mechi ele.
Na mi dia na mpese mse use condom. Me yire no ana ye yeso ko condom no penu asa.
Say ya 1 year no. Unya roli wi a. O say
empire ayo.
Who say uberu unya ro wi zara adwuma ese so de ya 1 year ba. If you are ye bi.
Nkunu o. Nkunu e wo na cause sa problem.
What is that? I said you had to so. Esa je say opinion o sa jeje ne tata sa. Jim tata Jim Congo du fie jojo.
We
super.
Na esa so obe fiu.
Kwagu eti kotoko fo ensom sa bomu nsuo ade chese samadam se onye jawo na obani so money ayi
me mu we
money I go to match me boy
samadam no boss say
oh striker
how many goals
obani
yeah
I go there no so ma na metete se kotoko fo kan se
enye to
kotoko fo kan se kotoko fo kan se as go there mo amu ni anom na wo hwe be as go da be kotoko da no a and there's the problem possibility say as go be twema kotoko na asebe as go penny na kasa na me kire wi
okay bonidin media
as go penny be no
me kasa me ko na me kasa ntiro me kasa bi abati ase
boni penny
as go penny be
nya botre
eh
sansa na
news yan kan news
ni diansa
Dabi na tu kasam na che say me ba say no I say okotutu anoma ho da be bi so pani say anoma be ni e dey na yi
on say ayama adi adwohye eyi
no si shade so me say
no story so me so no papa kotoko ho adwe na wom timu
amade de nya
afiago awana afiago
wa nya ne sai enye ye ma ho
amade de na afiago
sai yi no matia ba me nim na ba kosem
baba na unya younger
school na girl school
okay
ena oye ya na girl no ba ko eyi fa ho a che say e say nka punishment na be bana no hye
okay
tie ya na baba so ni edi bi pa na numu a che ena o say necessary na tie no be bra so dia ene o mo fanya adwuma ena abayo ne plan na o de ma baba na
baba mpe romance
ti oye yes oye yi na abayo ne ron kakra ansa na you know ohun ya say che say baba why ni da ma ye ara ade na besi ko abra wan shira o ye na gro ade no ho ama ene ma na besi awie
baba beje mu baba so amade de na fiafia
abra tie bi ono horo so na what did you say Jim Frama mu man bi twamu woman ni twamu one ma me no so free pa na twamu first one wanchia no second one twamu wanchia no third one ma me duru no hey what here no say ho jawa sem utwemu hampon
abalo kata utwemu hampon
o jiawe
hotro nyawre ka so me wa rio
utwemu hampon
the message we or say the women who are 70 and above there they can do it but not those who are below 69 years in this 21st century. No. They like it more than the men.
Well, kuna what is ikato bibi? Say mpabo asata de say o ka mbo bi aka che say we are auto ye de. Ase unnim ne o say odi usika ye. Obi aka bi a che oda. What be so da?
Bibi bia meto bia minim de nim usika ye.
Pani a wono na Bechem United ye ne dia. E say fe ne Kingsley Usu e chan.
Ne limo no.
Watisika to limousine kama aje se wose players no
yeah
omo ko brekum
omo fan
Chechiman kuma se omo timi de kodoma omo timi
basa ka ne hono so omo fan nam e kwan so nye
ene wose omo fan fa wona no na Ghana fo bi omo de obi a ono nya sika da be kire sika de omo fan sika
ye omo nya na kan kwa azem gege
ono je se sika won kan bi do but wo nya sika no de obetoro na be kire wose sika de nka de to we ya nanka ye
no offer back who
but the limo is there at the can is you on your fine not team ni nzu a
on fa sika no on fa ade no on fa nya team no ade na sika no on fa nko yese ade na si na papa me ti wonder be no want say Bechem United players isu say yentu omuka covid by teams be bro why on salary atete so e ho bi ansida bosom obi age no pepe papa ne de bi adwuma ne bi ni Bechem United no players no mo bo a omo players be bro abrochire kro mo anhye da mo bo Ghana ha wagi ni sika odi any business ni sika no wo pe wo de a no a kire de wo de beyo nenye so obi apɛ ne sika wa bra apɛ ne sika wanya a wodi na rodo de no wo se mpabo ano ato ne board ntin ko mfa nkoto chale na de aka no mfa nya de ma
a de wona be wona bra
na be kire de mfa nya nti omo abɛtra social media papa no na we de sika no onim ni mfa nya ka we okoto mfa so be na wo so man papa sika de unya no adibi
sa ni limo escalate crowd
nice one
Cadillac yeah escalate
shepa ni ka
white color
ka to is was network ni nyai ka ba yi papa nice one nti wo munya is hade no wo munya obi bre pen sika de pen ode ye janse wona ma wia mu wo sam fifre no waka na to so na lumba ka say amanfo ani abre pen kan asase ne bi so tie kura so to she sa na tie
kwa ai papa yi man ya no se tela do gabreta yi o captain blaster won
yeah
ai domesa
ana was there gabreta
the rock no
gebota ana den gabreta ibra so they do be I had there
Gibraltar
o captain blaster
but team no
onu fi wona hwan bae
onu fi wona samoja bae
Samu
yeah
na
Steve appear free ho no
Steve appear free ho na Jomensa
bae
Steve appear ka sembi na na atwema adwen ko so de kire say at the age of 21 omokobo friendly match ade ka tell say omo captain tata na Jomensa so obotantim a wanyi otimi pa a ho ntina won pese obedi captain ban no abo cause we say team aye bo ampanifo mo ne nitua pass we mu na anini
na say mai you for be any chain. So I say,
that's what you're baby call. Is it ball you?
Yeah, most in Quadaco small post.
When you baby call ball.
Boy, na kono no na do say penifo no one there ka omoda.
Start your circle for. More no reject here.
But me for sense the demo tell me say no matter your age the man say reject.
Da ben o mo kire o.
Omba ya omoje boy omo hwe obi a age.
When I say o mo ba ya no mo boy. Ade a wa hwehwe amana ni agina eno anwom be na na to no.
Na papa na mu kura odi ho na say oba na say sisi a no hususai obegina ho kura na hwe obi a obewro wa pepa no ho age abo.
Ebusa na kaza pe captain pa.
Na ho kan za no.
Obani unim da me to kakra.
At me pet game na.
Me dentia mani ni ho.
I know the rules. Me say e pia, but me pet to me.
Na say pia de opia say e be pia. Kasa me say de to no.
Because last week
we pet game.
Kwaku me minim but dentia me mpe no. E game bi o mo didi atemu o mo do too much. It na me mani nyi da me to. Ai. Obetimi adidu atem sa.
Otimi
di na papa. Say da obi amra Facebook me hwe say dey say da me abaso no. Ye to no. Very interesting. And ubewie no say mo ye brothers am ubewie no obi aye fine. Yeah. For aban see.
Te kwaku uhwe ni ya. Da me ne wo ho na omabu bie agu caps mbebre. Say na first ka bitwa wa ba metama kita.
Na pa me uze ebia en ho sa te say label nsan bi.
Yeah, I hardly kokaka na bie kakra so.
Yes.
Na omde afra. Enti de tia ne sese na ye pia da.
Dabi o uze dabi we
I'm on my Facebook me obi onim da me mu de ohun ya obi obeti game na.
Uze de tia ka se bie.
Akwai se de ma communion o asori no.
Ene de okita bie no se o tire de okita spirit dia ene obebu
mo pa.
Kwa do use spirit no. We so no so na o lose game no. Na kwa no se red en de. Baby obeda be atwa obi ano wa no. Se dam we de woni mu nsan no ma wontim kwato bi o.
Ato.
Ya tin
kuna mo ka asem bi na ka asem bi se etimedwu ne gum
obi se bia
na so o san de ko obi
Abrantie o UTV na de odi
me confirm again bi ma yesa again so onye tije che ko to kondo be sha de mi de be sha mi
UTV
ya Fred Jacob Kubi
kache Jacob say
opa ayi obeni de
son suba wa
obeni de on pepri do pini kra o on panim kan kra o ya ene
so uma bi putting it offer it's very hard so be samba back
on the send
back my back but here for so my back say mood
and I'm say okohin no back
come to say
and yes what that we
they are just like us
the only time and say one year waiting. Na say me can what the guy ye for play that the year why
I say you mood.
Hey, it's me real.
O say
it's me real.
Buy say to me sorry.
I say also condition.
Let us say Dumfan no tat.
Also condition.
Dumfan no tat.
Also condition.
Who's Ebra Bema so mrepa ne say akatre say what to pronum. Imi kebia.
Say for God one can say come would you lock your door.
Na bibini ba ono wa ba besra wa. Ope part 2 no. Me o da so da me be so ya ko bi see me why ya me ko mi see
ana me nkwa na me
na okuma crable award winning sports journalist
na mi busa
akwaba
open my josu
e dey say
Yesu Adom me hoya pa na so
me hoya
but the woman say na Kwame ye Thomas Dua story bi na Kwame so adeba ko wo ho ne say when you get the story exercise patience read the story through you understand and then get
read through the story and I read the story
through
no, you you have to get all the facts about the story.
Now spell the facts.
Don't help me. I can't speak English.
Okay.
Sorry. I
can't. That's good. So you did the story. You did the story without
mentioning
telling
the
us
name of the coach.
The person. I was so annoyed. In fact, I was driving, but I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. Not at all. Yeah, I didn't like it. You understand? And that's why I'm here.
Because
and now
the
my voice is up.
Who stays here?
But the thing is, when he comes around, let him exercise.
Because training a commentator.
Yeah, you are on the platform, and this platform you can't just come and dance around the story and leave it like that. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is you have to let us know who.
I saw me catch one say. A man for say. As good ni kotokoya fan be kotoko dan nti.
What's coach Yanka kan?
What's as good penny? What's as good penny? What's as good penny? What's as good penny?
Na koto akwala.
On be go Asante ani mo Asante. And
Asante dia na wo tirim sa.
See, the story no enya no kron kase nya no kre. Ato so be kase kwa no gba dia be ko.
Baba me go tete. Ama say boy isu say osremo.
Anyo na to dame no. Yes woni dame to.
Dame ne dia ne leisure time wo.
Kotoko player bia na bobi.
Ebi na akwa ba ya wanya bia ma obe pa ne say madam zo hwan.
Aseme na oka no.
Na onya bi ma nya no ko.
Aside this season. Obi ana bobi ana.
Obi ana bobi ba obi anya bi bo kakra.
Ye Brazil ni ba ku iso nche da nya bi mo sa.
Enso ho wo tim beti sa.
Ono yeso we penta e Brazil.
Say the height na pick players so.
Say ti no mo so ko fa adimola ba ya.
Ayi agud bia hwe dia na we so.
Abrantie abena go tete se obe hye kotoko ani. Ewi ase na ote dame ase wosu na teta.
Babu opon wi ana.
Ono na bonyo.
Obe
ne bonye. O ya ne sa.
Ne bonye say.
Ono chan ayo jano.
Say.
Udi no agro no ti obe free chance.
Jan mu de wen.
Jan ba ko no.
Ba fu ana sa.
Ya na yi bo. Azi o ya ni simba. O kan ya sema na.
O ba ku no.
We o twam simba.
Aya wontie. Aya no Andrew.
Na
o ya Andrew no.
We
o twam simba o.
Tama won ko
aya na no simba na ko butu ya na.
Ya drop no kroma he na
mi fi ke coast ba.
Found the see was Spain.
Eno na
obi aye din won.
Eno na
Sergio Ramos.
Na
say Sergio Ramos dey no we.
Oba penny.
O da we pra on recover. Champions League mo boko e tinya mo bi penny dia se na kan.
Champions League the last one me bobi.
O next man 20 mi ansam on recover yi.
Ko yi man no sa.
On recover yi.
Na say Kroma anke be ka say
on play no ne dia na no any qualification akosi say.
Oh Saturday nyame ya.
Na obo ne final match.
Omo bo final one no. And determination what they call boss.
Say akwanko ye epupu be bosuo na be wi akiro
so first leg no one share goal no.
Won't they make it?
One is about second leg now.
Yeah, one body division one for the qualify by no ya two players papa.
Obi ade anya re say Quincy.
Ne dia ne say team no go relegation no. Ne dia ne say no person sambo team no the team ne ba.
And the name aketo and adwempani ni team. So ni nyina na wo ho na team go relegation.
Kwagu Kroma osombe na
ana busuani yi wo mo ka wa hye ne so no no hwe kire.
Ma ye ntio fa.
Osombe na mo pepe kunam.
SDA by who are for paper. I who are for me who be at you. Ana na nse me ko adwuma no office. Me say omon tanko
online.
SDA form pe sa GD for no so omon pe. Muslims nso mpe.
Muslims
Muslims. Hey, Meku. Hey, masa. Baby akon hoto.
Onu ja. Jeko de wadeti ho wa.
Asana na oka no.
Eh, na oka no kwa
ko Muslims omunwe preku. Me se nipa no
onye Muslim. Kaswa me yo tie. Kaswa me yo.
Nipa no onye Muslim.
Mintimi mo papa edin ya.
Ene no onye Muslim.
O tie de me ka no.
Kama me tie.
Ye wie na me bondi ncha aka James onye Muslim. Na ono ane ka na asem kire.
Se
a won yihia mu bi a won akone ade a kire se.
Papa ya okay, osanum san.
Udi tie
ani se no Muslim.
Muslim oni pa ade Muslim fo nya boni. Muslim wie na me boni bi ncha a be so Muslim ana onye Muslim.
O wie san we
boni di won ready. Wouldn't story no ka kire me. Would you listen to the story? Kwame Bamba Kwame tie. Unim
say obiri ba na mo ne je chinzi ana ka so afo no bofu.
Anyway,
ye ka Ghana Muslim also say America Muslim we pok. Ye ka Ghana Muslim was.
But me say, I'm penny for you is Kenyan, or you Muslim or you Christian.
Penny Ben, we are
Ghana's can away.
Ah, Penny Ben, we are
Ghana's Ghana, I can't jump penny for one area.
But these are the two people who did here, but still are.
Yo, now, what can keep us? That are more teaching.
Where the answer?
Students are
Jerry, musician na ono na osida brene nyumbia na afa no beba
no penti franka magiga se oni obi a no de ense no kwa na hwa so so nyankofo no bi
ya na one person we be fi na nya se bia
na kwa kuku se no collabo na kwa se me be ya ma wa me wo hope se me next ebia song bia no so betima be gine mama me am me hwe na se me hu se
na wa money din na so openi o se ka che kwa mobile dey se onya de okeka no na kremoni papa bia ni ho a owe preko
na maka kire on
kremoni papa ne hwan
mpasho minti minchire
so waka say so you Christian the word Christian
na Christian papa bia no body man
na say you Christian
se me na mo kan
Onya boni bia be.
Oh, me
send message, send message.
What's be tell me answer.
O say
it me clear.
Two.
O say Muslims
na dia na me fakaka.
Na ha no. Sa
ya kwa yi se mi se na o ye ya ne ade.
No onya Muslim.
Tugu am person be tugu a. Bayro ho sa
me ni o
ma for so grant they count.
Akoya no offer a cocktail e Dr. Panzo.
O kwa na kwa command cocktail. No ni say. Akwani ke sa.
Wiki wale no.
Ma me monster no.
Akwa no.
Akwani skill sa na
crib na offer food.
Unia so on fa red label kakra so ni di man.
Etienne no yi asute say oh oba ku bi ho ma ene o de man ya eni gi a ene bi man.
E shemu no. E man di me destroy shemu no. Me twin ba ku twiro do ade we de enye fruit sa ma me na me dia no na ekitam na me na na mo ano e na ode unu ade en man afi ono so twehwe ya akwayi ade de we de ano ode o e wa na just go so ono so twin de los me de de asa petition from ti wa na kwensu ja oh no na be twin on the side me hwese de na man take action na enya de obeja e den obekọ so anom ti wa ba bi eja me de no e wa na me yen say sew and I'm too na to me enko videos to me ahwede di wana to go to turu ndi na fe no so ansa no yes I got your own yam kra o so
akwa for send message say no krese enkramofo onwe preku
kasa mo preku ba ye enkramofo bi a mo be preku
onye kramoni o
okoso ida bi a onye kramoni
o na so the mosque be na hia no
wo ye Kristo ni so ye
on fa nko ho
what I say Christopher na me be yan so ye nye Christopher krampo no ese so obodwa
abeta na di we buy abeta Virginia no di we buy na just
so no some more nwe but now we stand
oh na say ne ye wo mo a omo nom san nyina ade aswanse say zenkramofo nkwan eto so bia ba ho de bia ko na nsa na sa ko na nsa sa
ono we preko no so ne boni a
wa ye ka preko ye nkansa
oi mayor ye
na onom san dia ye oye
oh tio
ko ni papa so
mo ni bi o de frɛ wo mo se ne o boys ni bebre ho mo wi akiri wi se o mo san de da pese no mi ni bebre ati de sin na mo wa
oi obeni
obeni message when about it message ni ye pa o ho no hu se ne girlfriend atwro se what's up na again bi san se odikun one na did you put it inside and akwa ne say no
that is anya ba ko pe na etwie
if you say it is not you
don't worry
know who did it
yeah
is again
but that be okay but ade we it could be say enya obi foforo wo onim say oyo no a it is say wo de wo say enya wo a twen na obehu ni bi betimi aba no anu no betimi keep pregnancy no betimi awo ye be ko e na e wa
obeni chat na kra no
wifi
who say last day say me the message you be just an hwe a obi say God who are you without me brofo boni nipa ni bi wo mbekọ bu nsem je bi sa nyankopọ say who are you without me
as God who are you
nyankopọ onye obi anyo no ma memfa we ntwam immigration officer wo ye frɛ no Paul Gairam
mo sorry na mo kra
immigration officer wo kuma say enra na yen birthday na ene belated enti Paul Gairam Okay. Immigration officer Kumasi.
Call there.
Happy Gairam.
And the name says so.
Gairam. Okay. Happy birthday and come on Yamin Shroud.
What's it? Name.
Gairam
name.
Volta.
Because a Botarian name.
Yes.
But we are so Okotodia and the Bodre, a person they call a
now can be
Brofumu. Namumwamin and Sanamasoyako.
Okay. All right. And yes, it's an Diana. Happy birthday in advance. And call Emma Mrs. Doreen Sifa Sapon. Nyame Adoma Ochna and Woody Wawuda. And then also welcome back from Manchester in the UK. Na wifi Adoma Ginchen or say ne childhood friend pa no. Okay. Fa koto de no bodwa no kona ye me kan me kire we musa na ye den oh Debbie we so say happy birthday to my boy Bafo Eto Amoa Oredu Amo ana ordinate ETT uno ETTO that my ben me say e unso say obi to was me say ETTO eto say eto ana eto
Ghana yentu eto bia na eto nam bia na eto nam oh
and I short in okay, so happy birthday to my boy Bafo Eto Amwa Uredu Amo Faith Way International School. I wish Water Works. May God bless you with long life and prosperity, full of divine wisdom from your dad Bafo Uredu Amo of Adom FM Adom TV. Yes.
A bad Christian is still a Christian, and a bad Muslim is still a Muslim.
Yeah, we so adi we am person mo jinwa chinye kura me ntimo azu. Obi ede no ade na mo ya mo man ni mo bi ham.
Ne wa assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam.
Ne mo aba. Anowa Sumwa aka Abena Ginger aka Groom Up Ginger aka Baby Ginger. Wow. May God richly bless you and protect you in every step you take in life. DJ Awana and Adiwe Ebae. Abuja fast dama your proud sponsors no quickly enough here five media no the aka in Entwa also. Adom 106.3 FM now more boy me dey Gated Sports Ebrel. Imboost Herbal Mixture. aka police nino edu no papa ye kan fo edi ama bomode ama on ba mi on me shimjangi tugawo o yare utimi numbi na ebo yi pa ani ti bomode an se obepe bi achi akwan na won so wano mo ne bo so nye den e available e we herbal shop do na mu Oko Kings Walk Herbal Ekus Pharmacy with Dama Pharmacy Tribe of Judah Pharmacy alternated and dependable herbal shops across the country. Afi Health Alert Shop at St. John's Oko Little George Health Shop walk come 5 Temanswa ubenya bio and yes our phrase 0243 as they do Enfama Royal Drinks. Yeah, and there are so many flavors to choose from. Say yeah, Royal Up Alive as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. Royal Drinks, or see you go like them. Another call now 0272 133 373. Now what Geneva? I feel Gold TV. Or see I can't trust at the final stretch of the captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, and I feel Premier League need the account now connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. While bro using my Gold TV. Now I witnessed the threat. Nipa shed den ni hona mu adaje sa usi so a se na wo se bresa yo time no day enuti enene absa se there digital positioning no eno an ekro ye bo na bibia timi e wano ama everything on the go wonam ni na watimi pay attention to the things that matter more finding hard power to make time for enema account to my brabum edemamo no and they my banking and may get it on your way and now in your way. That is why I need APSA digital channels so you can bank when, where, and how you want. And they ultimately transfer funds into your savings account. You can pay your old school union dues, pay your DSTV subscription, and many more with just a click on your phone. Get things done simply with the APSA digital channels. That's Africanacity. That's APSA. Terms and come. Abusia akwanya bia pie se wo betimi anya da we asase a chese e bone da from kra affordable land kra ya e ben eye Peduase Lodge on esro a ho so we da na cool and e ho asase no se wo benya bi ni bra wa bremba we de obi de outimi se e ho krata sem na bibia dem kama document 100 by 110 kra na ade chese e tem ye pa na price no so e boko when you don't say upesa we agent Zimbian, one Casancasa or pass us no Fred Nayan can one 020 number being for the last time when you do assassin or a year Peduase here Frosra Chatoon we are Frosra a ben Peduase Lodge in Chehope na patch of Fred 020 936 9722. You're not pushing for us in the aquarium.
Charlie, you make ready for UEFA Euro 2020 and now. Media, I make ready with GoTV. Media set it, no size. The players: Ronaldo, Mbappe, Lewandowski, no size. From 11 June to 11 July, share UEFA Euro 2020 live on Super Sports with GoTV. So now enjoy expert panel analysis. Papa B, I won't know baby. For 109 Ghana cedis per koji with decoder, antenna, any one-man plus subscription, visit a GoTV dealer or SMS GoTV purchase to 1731. T's and C's apply. GoTV, love it.
So should you if you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Got to dream with Puma. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense swabek.
Peja immune system nabribia. Ya yarientimu. Sasa die. Amam for do one di Imbusaba Mesa. Do the one dance yes. And Yarwa who run nipa enina etimi baneso. And Yarwa Cassian Kaya witini di and a honka. No yamwa suing no. A boy who buying every home. And now pa omu Yarwane dada. No monum doctor enrono. Enum Imbusaba Mesanoa. And Momo who are deep pinti. Ya omuntim pose. Yaria Esiomo. 208496. FDA. Ashisha sa Jodi and Cratry Magia to Musay.
Do Sabe Diana by Bia Teddy. No beer paid to my dear Bakupe. And the heads of Rapio Jesse. A feed Diana do so. 29th May 2021. I need you race to the Power House. Real Madrid now supporting Liverpool, Barca, Man U, Bayern. Just a club of Bankra. Show favorite club with the Snake Day live. Our social media platforms are hot ones at Hits 103.9 FM. Here Google can twin screen and see after UEFA Champions League final on live. Chelsea versus Manchester City. Other activities because video games competition, sports quiz, NDP, Achadia P, and Basso Saturday, 29th May 2021. Our Bayview Village, 3 p.m. Just I saw video near strictly by invitation. Entity Hits 103.9 FM. You better quiet the first one by COVID-19 protocols. No see the super pay. FM Reputation 2021. It's FM Nadipa, supported by Greg Prime. Great odds. You go fill up. Let's mix tonic capsules. Slim to look smart for the future. Day by day, man. Powerful body care for active men. It's FM Reputation. About a baby. Charlie, you make ready for UEFA Euro 2020 and now. Media I make radio. With GoTV, BBR set it. No size. The players, Ronaldo, Mbappe, Lewandowski, no size. From 11 June, Papa 11 July, share UEFA Euro 2020 live on Super Sports. With GoTV, so now enjoy expert panel analysis. Papa B, Awunyan wo baby. For 109 Ghana cedis per kwaji with decoder, antenna, any one-man plus subscription, visit a GoTV dealer or SMS GoTV purchase to 1731. T's and C's apply. GoTV, love it.
Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Hello.
Yo, now what's saying?
Talemania, Misso, me here once is here.
That's him.
I send Bisabio.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And up.
They can't find Musa.
Huluneko to Abusia and number 1 time. Send your own big cra. Small Quedica and a pen of the Chawaka. Nasa Wakasano Suchaya. Ubedi Koma, Untiashi. Near some 50 megabytes free. I will be our Becasa. Press star 315. Now for Uberdom. MTN free after 1 and net free set.
I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot and the door master? Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see Sikakakra. That's a 3 months. It's young came. You see if you ask us in real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So I crack Kumasi Highway. What be man tobo to
Yo, Mimpe, where do you meet you?
What down for moi? What in way do me moi? Pia on no Coca-Cola catwa. Yeni na yeni mobisa, then so omuni wa, ne pia ne diasisa.
Benjamin! Kweku! Nkwadeni na wa he. Akwesi.
Auntie Maggie, I don't know tell mu frefra wo mai anopotutu to say.
Pepese waboa me. Na me de momo no. Amani sika.
Oh, Auntie Maggie jaisa. Say momo aye is.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN momo. Hey, na momo yi ayemre sei. Na de bia me kike mo friend kwada yi. Chia.
Frɛ wɔ hɔ a wode bɛtwa wo momo ɛno ara ne sɛ wobɛfrɛ 170 na watie wo momo manu no ɛwɔ akan aigbe nkran brɔfo dagbani ɛne awusa ile star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
Mothers of Africa. Opinti na kowenim. Mempaba. Kosi se wonsa beka weni da so ade nyina.
Matumame, mejina painting akomenim na machapa to say geshi semina.
Be strong and last.
Sankratwe FD ajiatu.
I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot and the door master? Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Say why you paint and pay later? It's just Sikakakra. That's a 3 months. It's young came. You see if you ask us in real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I must stop and see one time. 054 2745.
Yes, I can know because I drink it, Dado. Nutritious Dado. Miami Dado. For strong kids who love to win. Dado is the milk they love to drink. Love to drink.
Kabum
Quentia COVID-19 ye. EcoBank Emma Wakwenya Hodwa. What the bet nephew? Upon mobile. No way to me do sick asem ashewa wonsem. For EcoBank Mobile, Didra, Bebia ni Abrebia. Say Sika Pudu na only a Didra. For your internet banking no so. EcoBank QR code. Ma kwai ma ofa abe for Siketua Kwanso. Etuani management I would work out. One for Sika Potin Entia. Na chance Didra. EcoBank Jono ho. Kaisa Obama kwai adawnia for frontem. Eyata ho nsa enafi emfa wonsa nkeke wanim
so here mwebia for EcoBank contact center it was 0800-003225 ahunti ahwe ana from it was 0302-213-999 abrebia debia
Tnefira bo ho ban EcoBank the Pan-African Bank
Mothers of Africa
Mame maya den enya hoden
and what's a wofa geisha semina subain Gina hopinti na ko wenim mempaba kosi se wonsa beka weni da so ade nyina
Matmame me gina painting akomenim na machapa to say geisha semina
Be strong and
Sankratwe FD ajiatu
Hey ama Mese ne boy bia misiano real deal package ankasa tall dark pink lips muscular with six packs handsome with designer clothes and shoes baby girl he wasn't playing at all. Hey that I was eyeing him the whole time Sonia Mecheno I strategically positioned myself in front of him and then he opened his mouth and said
Close Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been
See ya. Me to me beat traffic. Ajimi take away. Na many girls here din enyumre yo. Me free wa. Me to me akofa samne omami every hospital wa. Me nye late TV subscription. Hey, makayo. Ma promise araba kraso say. Me kwa koji ice cream amanu dia yen birthday party no.
Yenim sabra body SSA jasu nkwao inti ebreni ho maniama ehu hia pa enunti na Absa digital channel emma okwan mo wadra yen digital channels yeso ye nioma womre ho kra Wayne Africana City Wayne Absa.
Introducing new Super Yogo, a new 6, important for overall health and brain development, as well as assisting the body with energy production to keep you going all day long. And Calvary Yogo, available either plain or an exciting lemon flavor. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our keska. Charges some 380 cedis. We send this can go charges no. Wait there. Me say me network need there. Tie. We send this can was our network no so no. Yet we send this can free with network no so. Aqua network for no. And aqua network bia so. And so you free. Masa inti wa catch them. What that so you then was our network no so. Move bra for the phone cash say. Hey, masa you shape not to ball I know, say dear, we'll send this car for the phone cash so I can network beer so I free. Send this car to do beer and print to do beer, con network beer so free. Dial star 110 hash say in a send this car.
Abejo, aye, Malcolm say, to Adia Baku and the boy at 300 Ghana cedis, Ninia Ebrosa, no on chow 10% discount instantly.
Instantly?
Ane, Amunumuha, and to Kanwo, Nakajo dear, na answer now. Sapromo ye air cost of Malcolm.
Say, Minia. Na rahosa I don't know how
Kwame me ne mebusia for amane hunu kese mu me bank edi me hwa mobio sisia na waka kire me se wo ma mebusia me pedi eri yan adwuma no bank kan na so ejinsu ho a eye twa me ne bo
nka wasa ka we kire me dada ma me kamfo Societe General Ghana ma o sa abusia we wo beti no te sema pe SG Ghana Bank nkunya na ma me ne ya etumi ahwe mo free school fees wonsem asan bie ankasa adwuma kakra yi wa ye yensi kasem ahotoso e wa ho hiamre
no cre
se busia na ho hia dia e ne SG Ghana Bank Bia, or mammy see one from cry. As I mammy bra, me betia, and mammy one me. It's me poco drop was me using. Minia, or Fata Bankia, who bet me at GD. Now don't want to so. Dear the Massum Ajo. Societe General Ghana, any dear your power sitting in woman who you name, the Mabusia, your power, not a who's who's off of cry. Koyan Krabate, Diana, what my you PM, but you will see some home. Societe General Ghana, that in your wankasa, Santo, a baby, or Kutan Sabusumi, and the Tosuduncia, I think Pinion in your Junubaku.
That's Lord Morgan at the back. Featuring Bisa K-Day. Yeah. Oh, they knew they missa. They are doing so female. Or trying to go be somebody. They do an yeah. Once again, a happy birthday going out to you, Nana Ekwia Sechua Dako, Head of Community Relations. And may the good Lord bless you more and more and more. More love to you, baby. Abusha baby, I do know. President of the Brothers and Sisters Association, the Fancy Dog. Yeah, great. Are you both?
Brajery,
me deep we are bring.
Hey, Brajery, I was open as one. Some
me can't send me deep for ya na makai. Happy birthday, pa, and come or correct, pa. And you know, I just happy birthday to you. Yami sure na on your kese na. You want to book
the waka kakrebi
yeah.
Asa mo bede me yezu zizo nkomo kakrebi na sorry moko na minima zo nkomo bi record social media me sure mo bede bia na Brajery ayam dama dama Ghana na yepede abrent na oba
well
ayam dama Ghana na jama yepede oba because we are bring me be ya me hu da what we declare wanted we inyo
and now we declare boy no wanted we US
or New York into no what's the omba Nalankasaze os da onyaza o hye asante na roba Nankasaze na samorika yin do no muze o fo hu praise o praise asante hin na onyaza o hye
okay
ma hosna koye ne nti say twini Jonas o babo so
praise ne special pa
so babo so lumbo ne say yima says wonyu act from kakra mesiafo no ewa Ghana artist mesiafo no so we collaboration enyum no nkwachi.
You know they fly that much, yeah?
Yes. Me and you're a hater. Me shada minimasi gutuma because Masha.
There are some notable ones that say like major hit. Yeah.
Also, God is a woman and you need your dope.
But
Masha and you know and you also to YouTube no 3 weeks in your Brajery. It be just 2 days. Now I hit 200K. Into the 173,000. And you know so video is what I share no funazo ginger the video ima. Nkofunhwe ni one ne yadame enyom no na Miss V no nye efia wo nyom abofra no so Brajery 5 years ago when kosi baby into no some kind of examples in the Zaibe sister efia na feed rhymes why ya onye da on find Brajery minyim so kodoze but as a kusam so realizing it there say e na say female musicians no so wonya platform dey be wo to nyom be a stage or perform nyoma one enyuma wo feature a fellow female artist no dem nyom no one perform one perform into no dem nkomo ye wa mankotim peda mu
oye your friends ya na kona nyame Adom ocha your father account raso
yeah mama boatema the Fantido president for the Brothers and Sisters Association epemo a ebotum na call them online na akan stories ni bi honum ma sorry do.
Okay, your first number, your Vodafone. I say there's an energy inside us all that makes art and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, that cures diseases, that overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, our society, so we can discover what's best. When this force is combined together with technology, we can do anything. For more, just log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can. Okay, so quick one now, into a I say shouts going out to Christian and Bright of Belengpe. Now, so we say so. I say today is your in-law's birthday. Please wish him for me, Nana Yao, Nkwa, Ministry of Finance, Transport Officer. Happy birthday! May God bless him more and more and more. From Isabella. Kotoka International Airport and on also the way by na afe we say so or say please wish Shikayo Clotty of Holy Child School Sakumono a happy birthday from Bobby on also the audio by Abusia check out Time FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Assembly about as always.